we are with 4 persons. We are 70 plus years old, and we come from the Netherlands. And we have been 3 weeks in Sri Lanka with the Best of Lanka, and we are very glad to have made this experience. And we have seen so much things. The most beautiful things was the swimming elephants.
And I was curious to see what was the island of Sri Lanka before it was in former centuries belonging to the Dutch and now independent. And I was very much admired to see and to find out that when we in Holland lived in skin of bears, they were here splendid and developed kingdoms with beautiful buildings from 200 before Christ until 1000 or 1200. So be proud to be a Sri Lankan, be proud of your culture, and maybe there are some more developments to come.
And I expected a warm, friendly, tropical country, and what I have seen in the past few weeks was a beautiful country with wonderful scenery, with its shores, its wetlands, its lakes, its mountains, with a wonderful wildlife, with the elephants, the buffaloes, the monkeys, the birds, and a friendly, nice population.
Well, and our journey was very comfortable because we traveled with our own bus of Best of Lanka, and our driver Kozela told us everything about the culture of his land and of the animals, and he gave us much of information. So we had a wonderful holidays, and I should say I will come again and then travel. We are again traveling with Best of Lanka and hopefully with Kozela too. Thank you very much.